So right here we got a 25 kilowatts of battery storage. Piping our battery wires over to our inverter. We always use a 12 by 12 gutter, 2 foot to 4 foot, depending on the application. We've got 2 conduits that are come right over here to the main panel that will tie in our line and load and transfer our existing loads back over to be powered by the inverter. On the other side, you have your conduit that goes from here all the way to the house that will bring your solar lines all the way over. And we've built a stand here to house everything out here by the main instead of back by the house.
Nice. And what's that black thing you got going on right there?
And a Tesla charger installed. That'll be installed on the gen ports so that when you go to battery backup, it'll automatically turn your car charger off so that it's not draining your batteries.
Nice. And is that what they call with the bi-directional charging, to where we can use the car battery to help power the home?
Yes.
Nice. So Fords and Teslas are the only ones that do that right now, correct?
Correct.
Nice. And who you got working back over there?
Isaiah's back over here doing the crimps to connect our batteries.
Yep, just crimping on the battery lugs to the Sol-Ark to our 3/0 cable. A special crimping tool here, so just got to make sure you make a good connection. It's kind of make sure you're not getting any strands out. Just like that. Slide on.
Nice. And what is that? That gives power to the inverter?
So no, this doesn't give power to the inverter. So this is the 3/0 cable going to our Renon battery system over there. So this is what's actually pulling the battery power into the inverter and sending it either to the load side or to the line side. So
nice.
Yeah.
And how does that tool work? It's so fancy.
So you just you take a razor knife, you cut off a little bit of your 3/0 cable right here, just enough to slide the crimp on, and then you go ahead and hit reset. It's kind of tricky. Thank you. Like that. Slide this guy on.
The other lock ring. It's in the panel.
Don't forget that. It's a hydraulic tool.
A little safety lock, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on.
Be kind of tricky. There you go. When Joe here taught me, you want to get it just tight enough to where it's tight around the actual tool itself right here.
Nice.
Okay, you wind up again. So.
You guys double crimp them to make sure that those crimps don't ever come off.
Yes, you double crimp them. Most of these crimps are made to be double crimped. Some are singles, but it depends on the crimping tool you're using.
And the double crimps would probably be more safe, correct?
Correct. It just depends on, sometimes the width of the crimp can be wider, so it'll get the whole crimp instead of having to double crimp.
Sweet. Well, good work out here, guys.